If you're always hungry between meals, this might be why. Many snacks give a quick boost, then leave you searching for more food. Today, I'm sharing 3 simple snacks that combine fiber, healthy fats, and protein to help you stay satisfied for longer. Our first snack takes only a minute, but combines crunch, healthy fats, and natural sweetness. Fresh green apple. Cinnamon adds warmth. A little peanut butter. Creamy, rich, and filling. A little crunch and healthy fats. When snacks have fiber and healthy fats, you usually stay full longer. No sugar crash, just calmer, steadier energy. Simple snacks can still feel beautiful. If you enjoy savory snacks, this one is simple, creamy, and surprisingly satisfying. Soft avocado, simple, filling, and satisfying. One thing I love about avocado is how simple it is to prepare. Just a few ingredients. And you have something satisfying, a pinch of salt, and lemon juice. Healthy fats help snacks feel more complete. Soft, naturally sweet, and comforting. I always enjoy taking a moment to slow down in the kitchen. Preparing simple food, a little spice to wake everything up, and texture. A small drizzle of olive oil. Smooth, rich, and balanced. And something fresh to keep the snack feeling light. You don't need complicated food to feel satisfied. Just simple ingredients put together thoughtfully. Moments like these remind us to slow down, enjoy our food, and take care of ourselves, one simple meal at a time. For a lighter snack, when you want something calming, this bowl brings together protein, fiber, and natural sweetness. I start with fresh banana slices, then a few black grapes, juicy, refreshing, and full of color. Next come the soaked chia seeds, small but surprisingly satisfying. A few almonds add crunch, simple, nutty, and satisfying. Then a light sprinkle of pumpkin seeds for texture and healthy fats. Different textures, simple ingredients, and a bowl that feels balanced. You don't always need heavy snacks to feel satisfied. Sometimes the simplest foods come together beautifully. Enjoy slowly, eat mindfully, and take a moment for yourself. Healthy eating isn't about perfection. It's about creating simple habits that fit into everyday life and make you feel a little better, one meal at a time. And if you enjoy simple wellness meals like this, please like this video and subscribe to Amy Presh Kitchen for more calm and nourishing food ideas.